Full Send RCPH. It's your boy Tim, and today we're going to answer our friend Raymond's question if what comes with the Koni SP Koni R competition kit comes in the kit. We're going to open this box and see what yung difference niya from the regular SP kit. I'll rip that open. Siya nga pala, before we continue, yeah, it's not on the box. Hindi siya nakalagay. Kasi lahat ng kits, it has the same box. So, hindi nakalagay kung ano yung difference ng competition or the Koni R. So, ngayon malalaman natin if what's inside. So, guys, isa-isayin natin kung ano yung difference sa sport kit and the Koni R competition kit. We'll go bag by bag and I'll go by memory kung ano yung naalala ko, ano yung difference. For the A bag, we'll inspect it closely. Sa A bag, nandito yung ating differentials and the drive shaft. Two center drive shafts. The center drive shafts are S2. It's upgraded. That's a 1900 peso value over there. All the out drives are S2 as well. It has the nylon spur gear, so yeah. So far, without opening the bags themselves, I can say the center drive shaft is upgraded. Let's now on to bag B. Sa bag B naman, we see, I think this is the front drive shaft. It comes with the S2 drive shaft as well. This is the hop-up part. That's a 1900 peso value. And it includes 2 sets of Delrin pistons, which I know for a fact Mr. KK himself machines. These are hand-machined pistons by the man himself. I use it on my own truck as a hop-up, kasi sport lang yung sa akin. And I can say it really transforms the plushness of the shocks. It makes it super smooth. And I highly recommend that hop-up for serious racers who want the ultimate in smoothness for their shocks. When you buy the Koni R, the competition, you get it in the box. Let me see. Hindi ko lang masilip kung ano yung mga O-rings kasama. Hindi ko masilip. But yeah, at least you get that, the Delrin shocks. For bag C. Bag C na ba tayo? Bag C, we have our turnbuckles and our sway bars. Okay, here we have our next upgrade. We have the hard anodized aluminum pivot balls. Yung nilalagay natin sa mga rod ends, it's the hard anodized version. This, I think, is almost 1,000 pesos on its own. So that's a very nice upgrade. It makes your links super smooth and slick, much better than the stock stainless ones. Nice. I'm trying to see if there's any other differences here. I think not. Yep. Let's move on to the next. For bag D, we have the rear arms and drive shafts. I'm trying to see if this is aluminum or the carbon fiber shock towers. I can't see very well. But for sure, the S2 drive shafts for the rear is here. Let's take a peek. Parang masyado ako naging curious if this is the... Kasi I know the carbon shock tower upgrade is available. Oh, no. It's the stock aluminum. The 7075 aluminum shock towers. For bag BE. We have the shocks, the shock assembly, the springs. It looks normal. Parang stock lang siya. Walang pinagkaiba sa SP version. For bag G, we have, okay, KK-Pit also includes the stock battery box. I know for a fact na merong upgrade nito, but it's still included with the set. I want to see the transmitter if it's a standalone servo mount. No. It has the stock servo and receiver mount. Yeah, it's stock, still stock. So bag F, we'll see. Yeah, the bumper set is stock. Everything is stock. This bag is stock. F. No more numbered bags. Lettered bags. This is the stock bearing kit. I know. The fastener bag. It's still black steel stock. And this, yes. Ito na yung another 1,000 peso hop up, the battery compartment, the racing version, the low CG. Ito yung pang 2S shorty and 2S tic-tac lang. Yung stock niya na expandable, you can put up to 6S dun from what I remember. This is nice. This is a carbon fiber upgrade part, and may kasama siyang foams and the strap. So this is for the serious racers who want to cut down on weight and lower their CG. Very nice. The side pads, stock. The freebie bag. And finally, our 3mm 7075 machine chassis that has the two layouts for 50-50 weight distribution or front heavy distribution. Personally, I run the 50-50 with the battery and the back and the ESC in the front. You can see ang ganda ng machining niya. Very nice machine work as always from KK-Pit. So guys, I hope nasagot ko yung mga tanong nyo on what comes with the Koni R competition kit. And see you at the next one. This has been Tim for Full Send RCPH. Bye-bye!